teachers, and my dear Johnsonites. It's my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Ambika, and I'm honored to be the part of Live Life Education. On behalf of management and Live Life Education today. Now, together with me, all of you, be proactive.
Be productive.
My life,
My life,
my choice,
my choice,
my happiness.
my happiness.
Across school, all of you.
Happy.
My life,
My life,
my choice,
my choice,
my happiness.
my happiness.
Now lead us again. Yes, what is the second habit, children? Begin with the end in mind. Have a goal, act according. Have a goal, act accordingly. Now all of you together. Good. Begin with the end in mind. Have a goal, act accordingly. Begin with the end in mind. Have a goal, act accordingly. Yeah. So, what is the third habit, children? Put first things first. Prioritize your actions. Put first things first. Once again. Now, third habit, one more time. Put first things first. Prioritize your actions. One more time, one more last time. Third habit. What is that? Put first things first. Prioritize your actions. Very good. Win. I win. Together, we win. Now, you win. I win. Together, we win. Seek first to understand, then to be understood. Listen before speaking. Listen before speaking. Seek first to understand, then to be understood. Listen first and then speak. Listen first and then speak. Yes, children?
Now shall we go to the sixth habit? It is called as synergize. What is it called as? Synergize. Let's do it like this. It is synergize. Now what do you mean by synergizing? Together is the best. Now shall we go together is best. Synergize. Together is the best. Yes. Now, seventh habit is sharpen the saw. Yes. You can lift your left hand and you can lift your left hand and use the right hand. Sharpen the saw. Balance is better. The last one, sharpen the saw. Balance is the best. Balance is better. Balance is better. Now, let us and positive. And better person. I will always try to do my best. Thank you.